There is a widespread belief that a real man simply ignores pain. By the time a man reaches 40, adhering to that rule means suffering in silence as his internal energy slowly fades out. This refusal to talk about physical decline creates a ripple effect. Husbands become distant, they snap over minor issues, and marriages bear the weight of an exhaustion that neither partner fully understands. Most men assume this drop in stamina is just a natural consequence of getting older. The reality is that age is a secondary factor. The primary drivers draining your vitality are chronic stress, specific nutrient deficiencies, and the late-night screen time disrupting your hormones. The good news is that your internal system can be repaired. We are going to build a clear, step-by-step Ayurvedic routine from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, designed specifically to rebuild that physical foundation. Once you fix the biological mechanics of your body, emotional resilience, confidence, and the strength of your relationships will naturally follow. Step 1 begins the moment you wake up. On an empty stomach, you will eat exactly 4 soaked almonds, 2 soaked walnuts, and 5 soaked raisins. Immediately after, take a small dose of shilajit resin mixed into warm milk. This exact combination of nuts provides a highly concentrated dose of healthy fats and zinc, which are the raw biological materials your body requires to synthesize testosterone. In this cell diagram, the mitochondria acts as the engine. Shilajit delivers fulvic acid, a direct catalyst, converting raw materials into active energy output. That cellular activation flows outward to your physical frame, improving muscle response and generating stamina for the day. By igniting these systems first thing in the morning, you give your body the exact biological currency it needs to operate at full capacity without crashing. When that familiar afternoon fatigue tries to set in, we intercept it. Your midday action is to eat a portion of roasted peanuts combined with jaggery, or gur. The dosage here matters. You need exactly 40 to 50 grams of peanuts and a piece of jaggery roughly the size of your thumb. Together, they deliver a highly specific nutritional payload. The jaggery provides iron and natural glucose for immediate fuel, while the peanuts supply a dense source of plant protein. More importantly, peanuts are rich in specific amino acids that actively widen your blood vessels and improve circulation throughout your entire body. This pairing functions as a strategic energy bridge. Instead of relying on caffeine and suffering a late-day crash, you get a slow, sustained release of physical stamina to carry you into the evening. Your final phase focuses entirely on repair. 30 minutes before you go to sleep, take 1 spoonful of ashwagandha powder. Wash it down with a glass of warm milk mixed with a single spoonful of honey. This graph maps our sleep cycles. Testosterone and growth hormones peak exclusively during deep sleep phases. If stressed, you cannot enter that phase. Ashwagandha steadily drives down cortisol levels, forcing the brain to relax and reach that state of deep rest. Adding the warm milk and honey introduces natural compounds like tryptophan, which work alongside the ashwagandha to quiet down your nervous system. The truth is, you cannot out-supplement poor sleep. This exact nighttime combination constructs the precise biological environment your body requires to repair its vitality while you rest. Now, if you have been dealing with severe fatigue and low stamina for a long time, basic dietary adjustments alone might not be enough to move the needle. For those situations, you need a more advanced integration. This is where a formulated Ayurvedic support like XTL Plus capsules comes in. The routine is straightforward. You take 1 capsule after breakfast and a second capsule after dinner. It targets 3 distinct functions: support for healthy testosterone levels, it strengthens the nervous system, and maintains overall physical recovery. But we need to set clear expectations. This is not a magic pill, and it is not an instant stimulant. It is a structural supplement that requires 6 to 8 weeks of consistent daily use. When lifestyle changes hit a ceiling, these targeted herbal formulations step in to provide the necessary structural scaffolding your body needs to complete its recovery. Here is your complete daily routine: the morning foundation to ignite energy, the afternoon bridge to sustain it, and the nighttime protocol for deep recovery. Take a moment to pause the video right now and capture a screenshot of this checklist so you have it for your personal reference. Do not try to execute every single step on day 1. Look at the list, choose just 1 or 2 habits that fit easily into your schedule, and start doing them tomorrow. Stick to those choices with total discipline. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you will begin to notice tangible improvements in your physical energy and your emotional control. If you want to incorporate XTL Plus into your routine, or if you need personalized advice for your specific situation, you will find all the necessary links in the description below. Your vitality is not permanently gone. By taking immediate, incremental control of your daily habits, you can rebuild your health, restore your relationships, and reclaim your confidence.